Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to make vertical text on Canva. So we first started with a project and then a design, and then we added some text using the heading. So you may think that this button will make the text go vertical. Well, it does, but it doesn't look good, right? We want a real way of making things vertical. So we'll go back to the way it was now, and then we have to click on the box and then click enter on the keyboard. Do the same for the rest of the keyboard. Okay, now it looks like better, right? It's vertical now, but there's a lot of space. So we're going to reduce the spacing using this button. Let's reduce the line spacing. Okay, this looks better. You may notice that the letters, they are not actually aligned. Click the box and select the alignment and then make it centered. So this is how you actually make vertical text on Canva. There are no other ways at the moment. So if you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks a lot.